Go for it.
That was a good one.
Was that a video? Come here, honey.
What's that?
You want some more?
Is it good?
Oh, you're just too cute.
I think I know.
Good for that. Quiet, honey.
He's gonna do it now because you guys are laughing. He needs to be able to get in the attention. Yep.
Ooh.
Probably one of my favorite parts about this book. How are you and Dad finding this place?
We asked Katie, where do you want to go for dinner? And she said, how did you have see? And I said, okay.
Actually, she lives.
And we saw a write-up in the, we saw a write-up in the Seattle Times.
Was my head spinning and green stuff spewing out right now?
Might as well have been.
Like that.
And then,
Hey.
No, it was just one of those places that was here that we'd passed by and decided to go in and give it a try. Well, how long was Katie? Like 3 months old?
younger than him.
Yeah, I was either 3 to 6 months old, and she was in her chair.
Look at him.
That's the rice, buddy.
How about that rice, huh?
This is the next generation of Zacharias. Pretty cool.
Jamie, you better keep your place on.
Yeah.
You can make sure of that.
You should
You like
get rid of
come here for everything. First